So the Optimus T2 is a laser-assisted tool post. Unlike conventional diamond turning where you're using just the tip of the diamond, because diamond is transparent to laser, we designed a process to have a laser soften the material right at the cutting edge and effectively cut the material sort of like butter. Because it softens the material, it's able to reduce the cutting forces, which then reduces the tooling forces that the diamond tool sees, allowing it to last longer. With the Optimus, you can set a tool and confidently know that you've machined it once and you're still able to machine it twice with a corrective program which allows you to get your optic in spec. With the Optimus T2, we include a whole host of exclusive accessories, allowing you to make your job easier. With the Vios, Halo, tool inspection dock, we've covered sort of every aspect of being able to successfully perform laser-assisted diamond turning. With conventional diamond turning, over the years, people have tried and they know exactly what's possible. With us, we take every material as a new challenge. We're not afraid to try some things different. In the future, as there's a need for different materials, I can only imagine the laser-assisted platform may allow you to successfully machine those as opposed to just being reliant on conventional diamond, which may or may not work. Anything's possible.